In this video, we're going to show you how to install the Serpentine drive belts on your Subaru Legacy, located on the front portion of the engine. With the hood open, we want to remove this cover and this cover. There's three 10mm bolts. Set that cover aside. Using a 12mm socket, want to loosen this bolt here. This bracket should pivot up and slide up and off. Use our 12mm socket, shallow, and we're going to loosen up this bolt right here going through the tensioner block. Now we're just going to loosen that. We don't have to remove it. Let's go ahead and loosen up this 12mm adjuster bolt right here. You can see that alternator is dropping there quite a bit. And when you pull this off, this belt goes on our alternator, our power steering, and our crank or harmonic balancer. Pull that off. Now right here is the tensioner for the AC belt. I'm going to go ahead and use a 12mm socket, loosen the tensioner nut right here. With that loose, we're now going to use our 12mm socket and loosen the tensioner right here. Go ahead and work that belt off. Now this goes around the AC, the tensioner or the idler pulley, and the harmonic balancer. I'm going to go ahead and lower our belt down in a position. I like to have the label of the belt information facing out towards you. It's not mandatory, but it's nice to have it like that. So now go ahead and tighten up that belt. Now when tightening this belt, you want about a 1/2 inch deflection either way. So when you're pushing on it and pulling on it. So we have a little ways to go here. That's good right there. Might be a tiny bit too tight. It's okay to go back and forth a little bit here. There we go. At that point there, once you're happy with the tension on the belt, we now want to go ahead and tighten down the nut on the idler pulley here. And once it bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. Could be about a good 1/4 turn. Snug that down. Okay, run that belt around the power steering. Run that around the harmonic balancer or crankshaft. All right, we have our belt on. Let's go ahead and tighten down the tensioner here. And what we're looking for is about a 1/2 inch of deflection each way on the largest portion of the belt. That's perfect right there. Now let's go ahead and tighten down the tensioner here and locking the alternator into place. Let's go ahead and tighten this down. Once it's bottomed out, give it a little bit more. You do want to make sure it's good and tight. Double check those belts. Everything is perfect. Go ahead and install our cover here. The bracket itself goes underneath the first washer, but in front of the back washer. Lower this down and install the bolt in the top portion here. Let's go ahead and snug down the alternator bolt. We'll make sure that's good and snug. Go ahead and install the plastic cover. All right, let's go ahead and snug everything down. Just snug them down gently.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.